74-year-old man dies after suspected fall from bridge in Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 74-year-old man is dead after he reportedly fell from a bridge in Sea District, Crofts Hill in Clarendon on Saturday morning. The deceased has been identified as Denzel Simpson, a farmer of Sea District. A report from the Corporate Communications Unit, the CCU, the police information arm of the constabulary force, said that at around 12:30 p.m., persons saw the body under the bridge and alerted the police. On their arrival, the body was seen lying motionless under the bridge. It has been theorized by the police that Simpson lost his balance while walking on the bridge and fell to his death. The body was removed to the morgue for a post-mortem examination to be conducted. Amidst the police theory, a probe is ongoing into the incident. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.